Since 1998, the joint efforts of Water Planet and Excellence in Therapy, a dynamic Atlanta-based company, have been bringing together special children and dolphins. We have found that the emotional impact of a wild dolphin encounter, combined with sensory integration techniques, Watsu, aquatic therapy, body work, massage, physical therapy, craniosacral, myofascial release, music, and play could improve the condition of children with disabilities. The Serenity Program is a one-week therapeutic adventure specially designed for children burdened with mental and/or emotional developmental delays and with physical disabilities. Because family dynamic is an important part of the children's experience, parents, siblings, and relatives are strongly encouraged to participate. Children and families are prepared for their aquatic experience with a briefing touching on the principles of marine ecology, of dolphin anatomy and behavior, on dolphin etiquette, and on safety guidelines. During a swimming pool session, swimming skills and level of confidence are evaluated, while guests are equipped with and instructed in the use of flotation devices and snorkeling gear. Important bonds are created at this time between staff and family members. Based on affinities and compatibilities, staff is assigned to children and families. We usually admit between 3 and 6 families per session, with one session in June and one in July. The families will board our pontoon boats, which are specially equipped for close and personalized dolphin encounter experiences. We have been introducing people to wild dolphins since 1994, and our experience will certainly contribute to enhancing your experience. On the second day, and before the first in-water dolphin encounters, again for a smoother transition, the boats will be anchored on a shallow sandbar where the children can progressively experience a first contact with the ocean in water shallow enough to stand in before they are taken out to the dolphins' grounds along the pristine beaches of Shell Island. Dolphin encounters take place when the dolphins approach the boat. Children are lowered into the water and dolphins swim up to them or by them. Several other activities related to the marine environment and beach time will take place during each of the 4 4-hour dolphin encounter trips offered during the week. The land and pool activities for the week consist of 4 half-days of targeted therapeutic sessions during which the families will go through different stations staffed by qualified therapists such as physical therapist, occupational therapist, massage and Watsu therapist, and an acupuncture physician who will work on each child's range of motion, relaxation, muscle tone, and communication skills. Our staff will also help with suggestions, techniques, and strategies for parents to improve the management of their daily life as a family with special needs. The comprehensive therapy services provided include aquatic therapy, bad regas, Watsu, bodywork such as massage, craniosacral and myofascial release, visceral manipulation, range of motion and stretching, and acupressure. A qualified psychologist facilitates the children's sensory integration with expressive arts. The children play with different shapes and media like paint, clay, feathers, seashells, and are encouraged to recount their encounters with the dolphins and with the ocean. In addition to the 4 half-days of dolphin encounters, each child will receive a total of 615 minutes or 10 1/4 hours of professional interaction time, frequently multi-hands. The music session is another fun part of the program. Children, families, and staff are led along a musical trek through an imaginary exotic landscape evoked with a wide range of musical instruments and drums. Each participant is encouraged to encounter his or her favorite animals. Encouraged by the staff's performances, children and family are invited to join in group dancing and are asked to mimic their totem animal. The last day is spent in beach play, combined with some more casual body work or Watsu sessions. A farewell party with food, drinks, presents, and social time where each child exhibits his or her artwork with pride ends this beautifully intense week at the beach.